Sabali pa nga damag apo iti Philippine Pharmacy Association Regional Conference mga ito no November 15, 2025. Health facts ulit tayo.
IFM News. IFM News.
With Idol Lawrence.
IFM News. Health facts.
Al-alukuyan ni Miss Mona Lisa Kabakungan dagiti amin na miyembro ken kayat na makipartisipar iti dumanin ang maangay at 2025 Philippine Pharmacies Regional Conference ang maangay iti Fort Ilocanjo Hotel and Resort ito no November 15, 2025 kuna nang danto ti may apply as CPD units when no continuing professional development ang mabalin ang may apply kabayatan ti panagubra ti gobyerno imbatad na at dagiti makipartisipar at chapters ti Philippine Pharmacies Association kati Ilocos Norte Chapter, Ilocos Sur Chapter, Abra Chapter, La Union Chapter, ken Pangasinan Chapter.
I would like to invite all our fellow pharmacists from across Region 1 to join us in our regional conference happening on November 15, 2025 at the Fort Ilocanjo Resort Hotel, Lawag City. Our theme this year is Empowering Pharmacists for a Resilient and Sustainable Healthcare Future. This is a free seminar for all PPHA members with corresponding CPD units. You may choose between face-to-face or virtual attendance. So what are you waiting for? Register now through your PPHA PEDS account. Let us come together to further strengthen our profession and our service to the nation.
Namnama and the Philippine Pharmacies Association Ilocos Norte Chapter nga dunto iti makitaripnong iti daytoy a summit da para iti IFM News. Idol Lawrence Martinez, Tato, RMN.